This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You're ready to start. First, make sure your watch has at least 20% battery and Bluetooth is on. Open Google Fit on your phone and also open the watch's companion or wearable app. These two apps need to be visible. Sign into the same Google account on both devices so data can sync securely. Once you see the companion app detect the watch, tap the pairing prompt. This initiates the connection handshake. Keep the phone and watch close and avoid other Bluetooth interference during this step. Now you'll authorize data flow and fine-tune settings. Grant location, activity, and notification permissions when prompted, because Google Fit needs them to track steps and workouts accurately. Next, open Google Fit settings and choose the watch as the primary health data source. Make sure heart rate and activity sync toggles are on. Finally, exempt both apps from aggressive battery optimization so background syncing continues. Once done, perform a quick walk test to verify steps and heart rate. Finish by confirming live data transfer. Start a brief walking activity on the watch and watch stats update in Google Fit. If data doesn't appear, first restart the watch and phone, then reopen apps. If needed, unpair and repair the devices from the companion app. Make sure the same Google account is active, permissions are unchanged, and no other Bluetooth devices are interfering. One quick troubleshooting tip: toggle Bluetooth off and on, then force close Google Fit to reset its Bluetooth cache. This fixes most stubborn sync issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.